Dis is redelik moeilik. Like you see, Lewis, you probably had an issue with your brother on this on sand,
Yeah.
especially sand.
Yeah.
That wheelchair of Martin is one of those slick chairs. Those wheels are like hot knife in butter.
Exactly. Yeah.
You feel cursed when you're in a wheelchair and you're in sand. I really sometimes ask myself, why am I cursed?
Yeah.
Why is it such a struggle? I just want to go to the beach, and then people
Yeah.
in the movies talk about long romantic walks on the beach, and I just cringe. I'm like, no, 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 no.
Shut
That's
up.
a cocky idea.
Yeah, yeah. But do you think there is the opportunity for more facilities?
I don't know. That's the
Yeah.
thing. If you go and you develop this in the same way in Muizenberg, then you lose what you have here, and you just get more of the same.
Yeah.
So that's not the ideal. But you do need a toilet.
Yeah.
And you need a water point. I mean that for sure. But the moment you put that in, the question is then, do you open the door for what else comes after? And then before you look at it, this whole beachfront's going to look like Big Bay. Um,
Yeah, and I think it wouldn't take too much, yeah, for a toilet, a room for people to change, and that might encourage some more, or just at least improve the experience for
yeah,
those that are here. But yeah, you're right. I think you don't want to change it too much. I think when we speak to people in Muizenberg as well, it's different than it was 20 years ago. So things change and move on. Places get
yeah, yeah.
busier